to JDPO's YouTube channel. I am her niece, Victoria Brown. I also have my own YouTube channel called Victoria Brown, or Victoria Grace Brown, I'm not sure. I'll put it down below. But I was going to go through and show y'all what I've done so far with my organization of my brother's bookshelf. I'm out of better breath because I am about to start on this right here. But I've done this so far. So, thought I would show y'all, and I'll kind of get out of the way so y'all can see it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to continue to clean the top off with the globe. I have another globe on the bed. So right here is all just random like encyclopedia type books, like informational books for my little brother. He's 5 years old. Over here it's like Bible stuff, Cat in the Hat, Nickelodeon books, and with the Nickelodeon books they have, sorry that fell over, this thing that reads along with it. We also have some Mr. Bunny and Mr. and Mrs. Little Mrs. books, because when me and my other brother were little, we used to read those. And we've got a Bible book too. So yes, that's what's on the top, is like just books that go together as informational and just books that are grouped together. Okay, down below we've got these books, which are called Big Box of Boynton books. And they are like a set of 4, set of 3 books, and they go together. These are called Pajama Time, Barnyard Dance, Oh My Dinosaurs. And then we've got a couple that are just by themselves, which I put them all together because when he was like 2 or 3, he got a lot of books from this brand. And then we've got like Goodnight Georgia and a Goodnight Texas book, which are also sorted together. And then down here we've got some highlights books, which my granddad sends my brother every month or 2, a highlight book. So I put all of his highlights together. Down below I've got some random stuff like this puzzle. He really loved puzzles when we first came to Georgia. So we got those, and just some random pictures and a puzzle. And then above we've got some globes. I need to clean this a little bit. I'll finish that later. Yes, I'm going to now show y'all what it all looks like an overview. So here's a very quick overview of what I've done so far. Okay, so now I'm going to show y'all how I divided out my different cubbies, stacked bins. So up here is just random things that were left over, like this is Captain America and Cars Cube. Down here it's, this bag is just random. This is Legos, and then this is Cars, and then a couple of other things that were random. This is all Ryan's Toy Review / PJ Masks stuff. Their kids shows. This is animals / like nature-y things. And I also did put a label on. You can see right there a label on that one. Yeah, that's what I did for that. And I will show y'all a full overview of everything right now. Okay. And then here's another one of the bookshelf. Okay, so I hope you liked this video today. This is my first video on my aunt's YouTube channel, JDPO. I have this ID she made me, VG, because my name's Victoria Grace. And then this is the shirt she made me, which with the logo. And then here's my back. And here's the label maker if anybody cares. I am in my brother's room. It's pretty dirty, and that's why I'm using this as an idea for the video. So I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe down below to my aunt's organization channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.